Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 29th August. Your chapter 5th fractions was going on, and in the last class I have completed F part of question number 5 relates from mixed bag. So today I want to start from G part of question number 5th. As you know students, in 5th question it has been given about that add, give the answer in the lowest term. Okay, so look here the solution of G part. In G part there are the two fractions that has been given in the whole number. First has been given 2 whole number 2 by 3 plus 1 whole number 4 by 9. So first you will convert it in the improper fraction. So look here how. First you will multiply denominator to whole number, then after that जो भी आपका multiplication आएगा you will add that number in the numerator. So same pattern you will follow. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 because 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 upon 3 plus. Then in the second fraction you will same pattern will follow. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 by 9. So now students, you have find out the improper fraction here, and you can see it. For the addition you have required the equal denominator, but here the denominators in the both fractions are different. So first we will equalize it with the help of the LCM. So look here, the denominators has been given here 3 and 9. So first you will find out the LCM of 3 and 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So LCM is equal to 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. It means your LCM number is 9. So here you will put 9. Okay, in the first fraction the denominator is 3. 3 से आप 9 में डिवाइड करेंगे, जो आ जाएगा आप न्यूमरेटर यानी 8 में आप मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो 3 से हम जब 9 में डिवाइड करेंगे सो 3 3 9. 3 आएगा आपका आंसर डिवाइड करने के बाद. देन 3 को आप न्यूमरेटर हैज बीन गिवन हियर 8 में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 8 3 24. ओके, सेम पैटर्न यू विल फॉलो हियर. इन 13 अपॉन 9 द डिनोमिनेटर इज 9. 9 से 9 में आप डिवाइड करेंगे. देन आफ्टर दैट यू विल गॉट 1. देन 1 into 13 is equal to 13. Okay, so now you will add 24 plus 13. So you will got 37 upon 9. Okay students, so students you can see it here that numerator is more than the comparison of denominator. So you will convert it in the improper you will convert that improper fraction in the whole number. So how can you convert it? Look here, 9 से आप 37 में डिवाइड करेंगे. 9 4s are 36. So 37 minus 36 is equal to 1. So your answer is 4 whole number 1 by 9. So here you will write is equal to 4 whole number 1 by 9. So that is your answer. So you will write the answer. Answer is equal to 4 whole number 1 by 9. Clear students? Now look the another part, H part. Okay, in H part it has been given 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 7 by 8. So you can see it here, all the denominators are not equal in the fraction. So first you will equalize it with the help of the LCM. So look here, first it will be like 2 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 as it is, then 2 will be noted down here, 1 as it is, then 3, then 2 2s are 4, then again 2 1 3 1, then it will be divisible by 3 1 1 1. So your LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, so here you will write 24. That is your LCM. Okay, in the first fraction the denominator is 2. 2 से आप 24 में डिवाइड करेंगे. देन जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो व्हेन वी विल डिवाइड 24 from 2 it will be divisible by 12 times because 12 2s are 24. So then 12 आपका आंसर आएगा. डिवाइड करने के बाद 24 को 2 से, then 12 को आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 12 1s are 12 प्लस. इन द सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर इज 6. 6 से आप 24 में डिवाइड करेंगे. देन जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 6 4s are 24. देन 4 को आप न्यूमरेटर यानी 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 1s are 4 प्लस. इन द थर्ड फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर इज 8. ओके, 8 से आप 24 में डिवाइड करेंगे. 8 3s are 24. देन 3 आया, 3 को आप न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 7s are 21. नाउ यू विल एड इट. सो 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 21. So look here, I will add it in the rough column. 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so we have got 37 upon 24. So here students, you can see it. Here the numerator is more than the comparison of denominator. So you will convert that fraction in the whole number. So look here how. This is your rough column. 24 and 37. 24 ones are 24. 7 में 4 गया 3, then 3 में 1 गया, sorry 3 में 2 गया 1. So that is your answer. 1 whole number 13 upon 24. Here you will write 1 whole number 13 upon 24. So you can write the answer here. Answer is equal to 1 whole number 13 upon 24. Clear students? Students, if you have any doubt, then you can also ask the query with me. Now students, you can see I part. In I part the question is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. That question you will solve in your homework. Okay. Next J part. J is the last part of question number 5. Here it has been given 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. You can see it here, the denominators are not equal. So first you will equalize it with the help of the LCM. So look here, how can you find out the LCM? First it will be divisible by 2. So 5 as it is, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. Again it will be divisible by 2. 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2 and 1. Okay. 5 will be divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 5s are 20. So here you will write 20. Clear? Then after that you can see it in the first fraction, the denominator is 5. 5 से आप 20 में divide करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा न्यूमरेटर में आप multiply करेंगे. So here when we will divide 20 from 5, so it will be divisible by 4 times because 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 24 आया आपके पास रिवीजन के बाद. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay. Same pattern you will follow in the second fraction. In 3 by 4 the denominator is 4. 4 से आप 20 में divide करेंगे. Then जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर यानी 3 में multiply करेंगे. So when we will divide 20 from 4, so we will got 5 because 4 5s are 20. Then 5 से आप 3 में multiply करेंगे. 5 3s are 15 plus in the third fraction the denominator is 2. 2 से आप 20 में divide करेंगे, 10 आएगा. 10 को आप न्यूमरेटर यानी 1 में आप multiply करेंगे. 10 1s are 10. Now you will add 8 plus 15 23. 23 plus 10 33. 33 upon 20. So now students, you can see it here, numerator is more than the comparison of denominator. So it is in the improper fraction, and अगर improper fraction होता है, so we will convert that fraction in the whole number. So look here, for the conversion of the whole number आप denominator से numerator में divide करोगे. So 21 जा 20, 3 and 1. So your answer is 1 whole number 13 upon 20. 1 whole number 13 upon 20. So that is your answer. You will write the answer. Answer is equal to 1 whole number 13 upon 20. Clear students? Now look the next question. Question number 6. Okay. Question number 6. It has been given subtract. Give the answer in the lowest term. Students, remember in the previous question, it has been given add. Give the answer in the lowest term. Same pattern we will follow here. Here in the question it has been given addition, and in the question number 6 it has been given subtract. Okay. So look here. In A part of question number 6, the fractions has been given 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. So you can see it here. Here the denominators are not equal. So first you will equalize it with the help of the LCM. So first it will be divisible by 3. 7 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Then 7 will be divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7. Then 1 as it is. So LCM is equal to 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Okay. So here you will write 21. Clear? So in the first fraction the denominator is 7. 7 से आप 21 में divide करेंगे. Then after that you will got 3 because 7 3s are 21. So 5 आपका न्यूमरेटर 5 से आप आंसर जो आया डिवीजन के बाद आप उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट मीन्स 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus in the second fraction the denominator is 3. 3 से आप 27 में डिवाइड करेंगे. So it will be divisible by 7 times because 3 7s are 21. So 7 into 2 is equal to 14. So 15 minus 14 is equal to 1 upon 21. So that is your answer. You will write the answer. Answer is equal to 1 upon 21. Clear, students? Now students, look the B part of question number 6. In B part, it has been given 12 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so you can see it. 12 के डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं, तो हम इसे क्या मानेंगे? 1. सो 12 अपॉन 1 माइनस 1 बाई 4. एंड 1 एंड 4 का एलसीएम स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन सी 4 होगा. हाउ? लुक हियर. 2 1 एज इट इज यू हैव नोटेड डाउन, देन 2 2 जा 4, देन 2 1 जा 2. सो एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 2 जा 4. ओके, सो 4 इज योर एलसीएम. इन 12 बाई 1 द डिनोमिनेटर इज 1. 1 से आप 4 में डिवाइड करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 1 से अगर हम 4 में डिवाइड करेंगे, सो 1 4 जा 4, 4 आएगा. सो 12 4 जा 48. ओके, माइनस सेम पैटर्न यू विल फॉलो इन द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन. इन द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर इज 4. 4 से आप 4 में डिवाइड करेंगे, 1 आएगा. 1 को आप न्यूमरेटर नहीं 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1 1 जा 1. सो 48 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 47 अपॉन 4. So now students, you can see it is in improper fraction, so you will convert it in the whole number. So 4 and 47, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 4 nothing, 7 you have noted down, 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So you will write the answer 11 whole number 3 by 4. 11 whole number 3 by 4, that is your answer. You will write the answer. Answer is equal to 11 whole number 3 by 4. Clear, students? Now students, C part. Question is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 7. That question I am providing to you in your homework. So आप इसको homework में solve करेंगे. Now D part. In D part the fraction has been given 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So students, you can see it here. Here the denominators are not equal. So first you will equalize it. So you will got the LCM of denominator 6 and 2. So it will be divisible by 2 firstly. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, then 3, 3 1s are 3. So your LCM is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Okay, so here you will write 6. So in the first fraction the denominator is 6. 6 से आप 6 में डिवाइड करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा आप न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 6 से जब हम 6 में डिवाइड करेंगे, so after that we will got 1 because 6 1s are 6. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Same pattern we will follow in the second fraction. In the second fraction the denominator is 2. 2 से आप 6 में डिवाइड करेंगे, जो भी नंबर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 2 3s are 6, 3 आया. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 because 3 1s are 3. So here you will write it 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, 2 upon 6. Now students, you can see it. Numerator is 2 and denominator is 6. एंड यू कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट 2 और 6 किसी नंबर से डिवाइड होते हैं, किसी एक नंबर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों डिवाइड होने चाहिए. सो आई थिंक योर आंसर विल बी येस बिकॉज 2 विल बी डिविजिबल बाई 2 एंड 6 ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाई 2. सो यू विल राइट 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. सो योर आंसर इज आंसर. यू विल राइट आंसर इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3. Clear, students? Now students, you can see E part. The question is 5 by 4 minus 5 by 8. That question you will solve in your homework. Okay. Now look F part. In F part the fractions has been given 25 upon 30 minus 5 by 12. So you will subtract here. Okay, so you can see it here, the denominators are not equal, so you know about that. First is your duty to equalize it. So denominators are 30 and 12, so we will find out the LCM. So firstly it will be divisible by 2, 15, then 6, 2 6 are 12, then 2 15 as it is you have noted down because 15 2 से divide नहीं होगा. So 2 3s are 6, then it will be divisible by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3, and 5 will be divisible by only 5, 5 1s are 5. Okay, so you can write the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, so you can multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 into 5, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5, 12 5s are 60. So here you will write 60. 60 is your LCM. So in the first fraction you can see it, the denominator is 30. So 30 से आप 60 में डिवाइड करेंगे. So जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर यानी 25 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 32s are 60. जब हम 30 से 60 में डिवाइड करेंगे, so बेटा we will got 2. बिकॉज 32 जा 60, हमको 2 मिलेगा, सो 2 को हम 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 25 2 जा 50, 50 माइनस इन द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर इज 12, 12 से आप 60 में डिवाइड करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर यानी 5 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो 12 5 जा 60, so 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So now you can subtract it. 50 minus 25 is equal to 25 and 60 as it is you have noted down. Okay. So now students, in the question it has been also told to you, convert the number in the lowest term, convert the fraction in the lowest term after subtraction. So you can see it here, 25 will be divisible by 5 and 60 also divisible by 5. Okay. Because हमने आपको पढ़ाया है बेटा, अगर किसी नंबर के वंस नंबर में 5 या 0 है, सो दैट नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5 इजिली. सो 25 भी आपका 5 से चला जाएगा, बिकॉज 5 5 जा 25 एंड 60 ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो लुक हियर, जब आप 5 से 60 में डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या आंसर मिलेगा? 5 1 जा 5, 6 में 5 किया, माइनस किया 1 0, देन 5 2 जा 10. सो योर डिविजन इज 12. सो यू विल राइट इट हियर 12. So that is your answer because 5 upon 12 बाद में किसी से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So you will write the answer. Answer is equal to 5 upon 12. Clear students? Now students look the G part. In the G part the question has been given 2 whole number 2 by 5 minus 1 whole number 1 by 10. So students, this is in the whole number. So firstly you will convert it in the improper fraction. Okay. So 5 2 जा 10, डिनोमिनेटर से होल नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में ऐड कर देंगे. सो 5 2 जा 10, 10 प्लस 2 12, 12 अपॉन 5 माइनस सेम पैटर्न विल फॉलो हियर. सो 10 इंटू 1, 10 1 जा 10, 10 प्लस 1 11, सो 11 बाई 10. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव गॉट द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. सो हियर द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर नॉट इक्वल, सो फर्स्ट यू विल इक्वलाइज इट. सो in the rough column you will find out the LCM of 5 and 10, that is the denominators of fractions. So 2 it will be divisible by firstly 2 से डिवाइड होगा पहले, 5 को as it is, 2 5 जा 10, 5 बेटा सिर्फ 5 से जाता है, so 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5. So LCM is equal to 2 into 5, 2 5 जा 10. So here you will write 10. In the first fraction the denominator is 5, 5 से आप बेटा LCM के डिजिट में डिवाइड करेंगे, नंबर में डिवाइड करेंगे, जो आंसर आएगा आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So when we will divide 10 from 5, so we will got 2 because 5 2s are 10. So then after that 12 2s are 24. Same pattern we will follow here. 10 से 10 में डिवाइड करेंगे, 1 आएगा, 1 को आप 11 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 11 आएगा. Now you will subtract 24 minus 11, then you will got 13, 13 upon 10. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं द डिनोमिनेटर इज लेस देन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, सो इट मीन्स दैट नंबर यू विल कन्वर्ट इन द होल नंबर. सो 10 and 13, 10 1 जा 10, so you will write the answer in whole number, 1 whole number 3 by 10, 1 whole number 3 by 10. So that is your answer. You will write the answer is equal to 1 whole number 3 by 10. Clear students? Now students, H part. In H part the question is 3 whole number 1 by 2 minus 2 whole number 1 by 4. That question you will solve in your homework. Okay students, so आज की क्लास में इतना ही. Okay.